Riders, and we ask that the adults of them place themselves on the outside of the row. If that's not practical, please make sure they're held easily within your reach. For your safety, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated for the duration of the train ride. Please keep all arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the rail car.
I'm recording.
And please refrain from eating, drinking, or smoking wise or railroad. On your left, here in our Porches and Parlors district, is the historic Susquehanna plantation, originally built in 1835. And
I can't keep this camera steady.
Owned by Henry Lee.
Cameron, by the way, I think I'm going to be posting this on YouTube.
But right next door, that small red building, well, that's the Thomas Plimpton House. Thomas was an indentured servant. He lived in that one-room house with his wife and 7 children. At the end of the lane after the Ferris windmill is our Daggett Farm. From 1754 in Andover, Connecticut, stop in to see how Samuel Daggett and his family lived and worked on the farm prior to the American Revolution. Check out their kitchen garden, where they grew herbs for medicinal purposes.
So it's going to be hard.
Today is the Thomas A. Edison. It's a coal-fired steam engine that was sort of held together in 1932 from an old Manchester engine once owned by Thomas Edison. Well, at the time, Henry Ford didn't want a Manchester engine. He wanted a Mason. So he redesigned the engine to look like a Mason using parts from
Why can't I turn the volume up on this thing?
The Franken engine we have today. Thomas A. Edison, and it weighs in at a hefty 25 tons.
See that we're on a train. Seriously.
Take care of our fur trons and our Morgans.
Is all the audio recorded that is say in the...
Also by the omnibus to transport passengers.
I don't care.
And the Morgans are used throughout the summer by our forest rangers. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's take this opportunity to sit back and relax and enjoy the sights and sounds of railroading as it was during the late 1800s and early 1900s.
Ah, dang it, we passed it. So to the viewers, if you can hear me, then we're passing by the forest. I don't know. I don't freaking know, okay? Oh, stop, man. Oh, hey.
And we're now entering Oxbow Island. The Oxbow is an 11-acre wetland restoration project, one of the largest in southeastern Michigan. Hundreds of trees have been planted and the waterways cleared and cleared, and now wildlife has returned to the Oxbow after a year.
Guys, if you see anything floating around, that's cotton.
Like green and blue heron, and egret, and Canadian geese, even a nesting pair of bald eagles.
Oh, God! Jesus, Colin. Guys, that hurt.
And we're now entering one
flipping fine, I swear.
Many of our special events throughout the year here at the village. And this weekend, a big special event begins. That's right. You can hear the crack of the bat and the roar of the crowd as old-time baseball returns. Walnut Grove featuring our live eyes.
Hey, there's a police car.
Also upcoming
look to your side, Trent. Police car.
And our Salute to America concert featuring the Detroit Symphony Orchestra.
Oh, the orchestra. We were just at the orchestra.
Up next is the Henry Ford Academy. Henry Ford Academy is a charter school here in Wayne County. Students attend for free but are chosen by lottery. This portion of the campus
Lottery.
houses the 10th, 11th, and 12th grades. 9th graders attend class at the Henry Ford Museum. Up ahead, you'll see 3 attached rail cars that serve as classrooms for our senior class. Class is in session, so if you see any students, be sure to give them a wave, everybody.
They were the old time classrooms last.
Current class, their classroom. They have a school here.
Hey, there's a pond. I bet you there's a wild Gyarados in there. A Gyarados. Choo choo! I'm putting this up on YouTube.
That waterway on your left is the Swanee Lagoon. It's a rainwater catch basin used for flood control in Happy Village.
Guys, you realize I'm putting this up on
The
YouTube?
wedding spot. That's the Martha Mary Chapel, named after Henry Ford's mother and mother-in-law.
I hope all the audio records.
You guys, there's a hearing in the street.
Also coming up, 2 of our play venues, the Greenfield Village
Oh yeah!
History.
Oh, that looks cool.
Based on recipes from some of our historic sites like Daggett Farm, Fire's
Old time house.
Right
I
next
think.
door, the White Building,
I don't know.
Greenfield Eagle Tavern.
Viewers, comment down
Built
below.
in 1832 in Clinton, Michigan, they offer up an authentic 1850s style dining experience featuring locally sourced and seasonal favorites served up by waiters and
If all the audio's recorded, I'm gonna say something at the end when the train stops at the.
restaurants. And we're now approaching our next stop of the morning, and that's Smiths Creek Station. From here, you'll have full access to Railroad Junction, Main Street, and Liberty Craft Works. If you're leaving us here at Smiths Creek Station, please remain seated till the train comes to a complete stop, and I give you the go-ahead to exit the train on the left side.
We're gonna stop.
Now, don't forget your wristband or handstand gets shouted off the train all day long here at Greenfield Village. Once again, please remain.
Yeah, I'm
seated till the
recording.
train
I
comes
see
to
that.
a complete stop.
Yeah, I think I got that on cam.
That means the air brake is set.
There we
Go
go.
ahead to exit on the left side.
Is this the end?
So wait
No,
for
but
the
this
whistle,
over
everybody.
here, they're gonna have like glass blowing.
Let's wait
and
for it.
All kinds of stuff. So we'll stop at this one.
Wait for the whistle. Here it comes. There's the whistle, and it's safe now to exit on the left
Viewers,
side.
if you're watching this, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. See ya!